Here comes.
Watch the heavy machine tear through a massive tree, its sharp chainsaw cutting like a beast. Incredible power, effortlessly conquering each log. Are you ready for the show? Oh, a man was cutting down a big tree close to his house during the winter. Could he face any risk of an accident?
Here it goes, and it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, due to poor preparation and lack of technique, the big tree fell onto the roof. Wow, look at that. A man with incredible tree climbing skills, truly a professional. A massive tree like that is impossible to climb the usual way, but this guy manages it. I think he must have many years of experience. Everyone, please be careful when cutting down trees and watch out when they fall. Oh my God! Help me, bro! Cutting down trees in residential areas comes with inherent risks, where even a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. When felling a tree, the first step is a comprehensive assessment. The tree's height, trunk diameter, natural lean, and, most importantly, the safe distance from nearby structures. Palm trees, with their thick trunks and heavy tops weighed down by broad fronds, tend to fall in the direction of gravity and prevailing winds.
Here it is. Here it comes.
Oh my God! A lack of experience or overconfidence from the worker could result in avoidable accidents. A scenario that is both realistic and highly challenging. The task of clearing massive logs after a large tree has fallen onto a roof. A worker stands atop the enormous tree trunk with a chainsaw in hand. Cutting the trunk into smaller sections demands not only precision, but also perfect control. Every cut must be carefully planned and executed in the right direction as the multi-ton tree is pressing down on the roof. A single incorrect cut could cause the trunk to shift, leading to further damage to the structure or even endangering the worker's safety. Roof tiles and structural components are obviously not designed to bear such immense weight. Here, the worker's skill shines through as they utilize specialized tools and safety harnesses to manage each section of wood after cutting, ensuring it doesn't fall freely and cause additional damage. Often, large trees near homes are overlooked in terms of maintenance or timely removal. Factors like strong winds, weak soil, or the decay of aging trees contribute to their collapse. Unfortunately, the consequences go beyond property damage, requiring a complex and hazardous recovery process. A bulldozer is assisting a heavily loaded logging truck stuck in a swampy area. The truck, burdened with its massive load, is immobilized in the thick, muddy road. This terrain is characterized by a dense layer of mud that drastically reduces friction between the wheels and the ground, causing the truck's tires to spin without gaining any traction. The bulldozer, a machine specifically designed for such challenges, comes to the rescue. Its powerful pushing force and wide tracks, which evenly distribute pressure across the ground, make it the perfect ally. Positioned behind the truck, the bulldozer provides additional thrust, helping the truck overcome the weak, slippery soil and move forward. A sawdust truck is unloading its cargo. And what stands out is that the sawdust doesn't fall freely, but instead comes out in large clumps. Sawdust, which might seem like a lightweight and loose material, becomes compacted under the pressure of transportation over long distances. This compression causes the small particles to stick together. When the sawdust has a moderate level of moisture, the water acts as a natural binder, enhancing the cohesion between particles and forming more solid chunks. The tree stump is not just the portion of the trunk buried underground, it's also the hub of the entire root system. This makes uprooting a stump an incredibly challenging task, requiring both strength and precision. However, with sharp cutting blades designed to slice through and break apart the toughest parts of the stump's wood, it becomes possible to remove the stump completely and effectively. An excavator is working in tandem to push a rugged truck loaded with massive logs up a steep incline. Did you notice? Behind every colossal log on this truck lies the relentless effort of both humans and machines, working together to overcome the challenge. An automatic woodcutter and splitter, a truly ingenious invention. In just a few seconds, the heavy log is tightly gripped by the machine and passed through a cutting system. This is a highly efficient two-in-one process that minimizes both time and effort. Thanks to the powerful hydraulic clamping system, the log is securely held in place, ensuring no movement while the saw blade operates. Then, the sharp saw blade cuts through the log in an instant. Once the wood is cut into sections, they are pushed into the splitting area, where a wedge-shaped splitter divides them into smaller pieces, perfect for use as firewood. Wow! The agricultural tractor is taking on the task of transporting freshly harvested logs from the forest to the collection area. With creativity and versatile application, locals have modified and adapted it for wood transportation. Its powerful engine generates enough pulling force to navigate difficult terrains like rocky ground, tree roots, or muddy paths. Transporting wood with this tractor requires a high level of skill in balancing the load. If the logs aren't evenly stacked, an imbalanced weight distribution could cause the tractor to tip over when moving across uneven ground.
There goes the tree. Here we go.
Oh my God, it's so lucky that he wasn't injured. Wow, a specialized tool used to fell a tree in the direction determined by the lumberjack. A massive ancient tree, once standing tall and sturdy in the middle of a garden, has unexpectedly collapsed, crashing through the roof of a small house. Harsh weather conditions, such as prolonged heavy rains, powerful storms, or gradual soil erosion, weaken the tree's roots. Despite the tree's robust structure, it couldn't indefinitely resist the underground erosion or the immense pressure from violent winds. The cleanup process, involving cutting the tree into smaller sections, requires significant skill and care. Why can trees cause such massive destruction? When a large tree falls, it doesn't just drop. It crashes with tremendous weight and momentum, unleashing a staggering impact. Its branches and trunk can act as natural weapons, piercing roofs, snapping wooden structures, and destroying everything in their path. Roofs, even when designed to withstand significant loads, often struggle to resist the sudden and intense pressure of a falling tree.
Okay. That's half the tree right there.
As you can see, the workers are wearing protective gear and using specialized tools to handle each part of the giant trunk. This cutting isn't just to reduce the weight for easier transport, but also to prevent further damage to the house or surrounding property. They must carefully calculate cutting angles and control the force applied to avoid any unnecessary accidents. If you have large trees near your home, regular inspections to assess the condition of their roots and trunks are crucial. Don't wait for a disaster to act. Sometimes a simple decision can save your property and ensure your family's safety. Oh, let's take a quick look at what the process of cleaning up a fallen tree near your home might involve. Wow, when a dry tree falls, everyone always knows how to make the most of it. People quickly gather every piece of firewood to take home, as dry wood is often seen as a precious gift from nature. Oh my God, that's so unlucky for him. The log he was cutting fell right where he was standing on the tree. Wow, sometimes cutting trees can actually be fun. Climbing up a tree and swaying back and forth feels just like when we were kids. An automatic log splitter can be incredibly handy, but always make sure to use it safely. A car is not just a means of transportation, it can also be a powerful tool with the ability to handle large logs quickly and efficiently. This innovative blend of mechanical ingenuity and practical application truly showcases the potential of technology. This specialized vehicle is equipped with a sophisticated sharp auger system, seamlessly integrated with the rotation of the wheels. Its operation relies on the optimized rotational motion of the wheels, ensuring even force distribution to minimize wear and tear while reducing deformation of the wood.
Pretty easy. More here.
Let's listen to the incredible sound of tree felling. He's using a special chainsaw rope, pulling both hands back and forth continuously to cut through the small tree trunk. Using a chainsaw rope is an ancient technique, but it's incredibly effective. As he pulls the rope back and forth, the friction gradually wears down the wood, cutting through each fiber evenly. The scene before you is a clear testament to the seamless combination of human skill and applied science. At the pinnacle of this, each log is carefully cut not to fall freely, but controlled by sturdy ropes, ensuring precision and safety in the process. A worker is using a wood-splitting drill, a powerful tool equipped with a sharp, cone-shaped drill bit that twists deep into the heart of a large log, easily breaking it down into manageable firewood pieces. Have you ever wondered why the drill bit is shaped like this? For those in the timber industry, saving time and energy is key. This wood-splitting drill, with its unique design, is capable of handling large, tough logs that other methods simply can't process as quickly. Oh my God, don't try this at home, folks. The machine is equipped with a high-speed, sharp blade system located inside a grinding chamber. As the tree trunk is fed in, these blades quickly chop, slice, and shred the wood into fine, uniform pieces. Why is this important? These wood chips not only help save space, but can also be used as soil cover. Get ready to witness an exciting competition where speed, strength, and skill are pushed to their limits as two men compete to saw wood with chainsaws. But don't be fooled into thinking that just having a good saw is enough to win. The technique of the person wielding the chainsaw is crucial. Every adjustment, each push, and how the saw blade is kept aligned all require precision and experience. Competitors need to know how to adjust pressure to avoid getting stuck in tough wood fibers while maintaining stability for a smooth cut. This isn't just a test of strength, but an intellectual showdown, demanding a perfect coordination of mind and muscle. So, who will emerge victorious in this intense woodcutting contest? A massive log is lifted off the ground by a specialized machine using a system of chains, moving gracefully to its new position. Handling such a large log can be incredibly challenging if relying solely on human strength or basic tools. Wow, watching him work is truly impressive. He's so professional. A machine that integrates nearly every task perfectly, from grabbing massive logs with its giant claws, to its sharp auger bit splitting the wood, and then feeding it into a wood chipper to turn it into sawdust. You could say this machine is truly flawless. This scene is truly captivating. A worker stands beside the wood splitter wearing protective gloves, carefully placing a large round log onto the machine's table. The sharp, conical tip, made of durable, high-strength steel, slowly drives deep into the wood with immense pressure. When a massive log is transformed into a beautiful masterpiece, the skilled artisan stands on a high platform, wielding a sharp chainsaw to carve the wood. The grain of the wood emerges, shimmering with beautiful patterns that tell the story of decades, even centuries the tree has lived through. They use specialized tools to carve each intricate detail on the surface of the wood, bringing the features of the face and clothing of the statue to life. Each type of wood has its own hardness, flexibility, and grain patterns. These creations are not only admired for their artistic beauty, but also for the cultural and spiritual significance they hold. Each piece is the culmination of time, skill, and passion for craftsmanship, reflecting a deep respect for nature and tradition. In the wood processing industry, efficiency is crucial. Hand processing each log not only takes a lot of time, but also causes fatigue for the workers. This wood-cutting machine not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of injuries caused by strenuous labor. What we're witnessing is a vivid illustration of how machinery can completely transform the labor process, turning what were once strenuous, labor-intensive tasks into easy and efficient ones. This modern technology not only boosts productivity, but also protects the health of workers, allowing them to complete their tasks without excessive strain. Think about the efficiency that technology brings. From transporting logs to quickly sawing through them, every step is optimized to make life and work easier. Amid the peaceful surroundings of lush green trees, the diligent workers are finishing the cleanup after cutting the wood. This woodcutter, with its sharp, fast-spinning blade, has transformed large logs into neat, square planks. The post-cutting cleanup process is equally important. It requires smooth coordination and teamwork to ensure everything is properly managed and the workspace stays organized. The process of splitting each log with a powerful wood splitter, operated by a worker wearing a warm jacket and protective gloves, is a testament to the incredible force this machine generates, capable of tearing through tough wood fibers. This skill and caution reflect years of experience in outdoor work, where every moment demands intense focus. As we look at the logs split into smaller pieces, it's clear. Each tool, each piece of equipment is the result of decades of creativity and refinement, all designed to serve humans in tasks that require both endurance and resilience. Wow, it's so fortunate that no logs fell down. He has excellent driving skills. A tree collapsed onto the roof, and he had to clear away each log to prevent further damage. Oh my God, what happened to this log truck? Every log on the truck stayed intact, but the truck itself is standing straight up at a 90-degree angle, as if it's begging, "Can I have a little rest, please?" Wow, this is quite an impressive machine designed for cutting small to medium-sized logs. The fated giant, a silver maple tree. To take down a colossal ancient tree like a silver maple, lumberjacks must possess not only skilled techniques, but also an in-depth understanding of tree structure. Equipped with a 60-inch guide bar, the Ripsaw 500 ERI features cutting-edge technology, optimizing power output and minimizing vibrations for stability during cutting. Wow, the wood chips are flying out like bullets. Cutting small logs is so quick and efficient. One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh my God! He just threw the chainsaw away. Is this a common thing among lumberjacks? Oh, the chainsaw seems like it's saying to him, I don't want to go flying off the cliff like this. The Mills WG-24 is one of the most advanced machines designed for handling tree stumps after felling, making land clearing more efficient. It can process a variety of large diameter stumps while maintaining stable performance. The log splitter is a brilliant invention that significantly reduces the labor required for preparing firewood for the winter. Instead of using an axe, a manual method that consumes a lot of energy and time, the machine makes the process much faster and more efficient. Have you ever dared to climb towering trees where a single mistake could lead to disaster? The work of high tree climbers requires undeniable courage and exceptional skill. They are equipped with modern safety gear, such as safety ropes, helmets, and slip-resistant boots, to ensure their protection while performing their dangerous tasks. Now let's put ourselves in the first-person perspective of a high climber to experience it through the screen. This is how branches are lowered from great heights using ropes with extremely professional technique. The sawing platform is a complex system designed to optimize the cutting and milling of wood, transforming sturdy logs into highly accurate planks. It allows for the processing of even the toughest and largest types of wood. The saw blades are typically made from special alloys, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and heat resistance when cutting wood over extended periods. This results in products with consistent dimensions and high-quality standards. With the saw blade's speed reaching hundreds of meters per minute, any mistake could lead to a serious accident. Therefore, those working with the sawmill must undergo thorough training. The wood splitter is a powerful machine designed to handle massive logs that traditional methods, like using an axe or a splitting maul, cannot process efficiently. This machine operates by utilizing a high-powered hydraulic cylinder to push the log into a sharp blade, effortlessly slicing through even the toughest grains of wood. Its robust design allows for quick and effective splitting, making it an essential tool for large-scale wood processing. The stump grinder uses a sharp grinding wheel with teeth made from highly abrasion-resistant alloy, rotating at extremely high speeds to cut, grind, and crush each layer of wood and tree roots. Wow, watching the machine cut each branch into firewood is truly satisfying. Oh, have you ever tried using a log splitter like he has? This high-powered log splitter is the perfect combination of intelligent design and strength. The hydraulic system is the heart of the machine, providing an immense amount of pressure to split even the toughest wood grains. Each log must be placed correctly to ensure the blade cuts at the optimal angle, making the splitting process continuous and uninterrupted. In a time when the demand for wood is rising, technologies like this not only save time, but also protect human health and energy. A notable feature of these machines is that safety is prioritized in their design. With the power to split a large log in an instant, these devices are equipped with multiple protective features, such as an emergency stop system and shielding, to ensure the operator is not hit by flying wood debris or involved in any accidents during operation. In competitions like Sterlet, this becomes an intense performance. Participants not only compete against each other, but also face the pressure of time and the need for absolute precision. Each lumberjack is required to use their skilled techniques to cut, split, and process logs in the shortest time possible. The Sile chainsaw, the tool commonly used in the competition, is equipped with a 2-stroke engine and a sharp chain, powerful enough to slice through even the toughest blocks of wood. Controlling this saw demands top-notch handling skills. Competitors must know how to adjust the speed and pressure so that the cut does not damage the wood and prevents the saw from getting stuck. The Sile competition is not just a platform for lumberjacks to showcase their individual skills, but also an opportunity to honor the forestry profession, where the strength of humans and technology come together to conquer the challenges of nature. This is a playground where every precise cut becomes a work of art, and every passing second is a memorable moment. This machine is an integrated system, handling everything from raw wood cutting to processing and organizing the split wood pieces. In the first step, the logs are fed into an automatic conveyor belt, where high-powered saw blades cut them into preset sizes. Once the logs are cut, they are pushed into a splitting unit, where stainless steel blades split the wood into evenly sized pieces. The splitting force is generated by a powerful hydraulic system, capable of producing tons of pressure. The machine is equipped with automatic conveyors to efficiently transport the processed wood, reducing the need for manual labor. This is a large-scale industrial wood chipper designed to process tons of wood every hour, transforming massive logs into uniform wood chips. Equipped with a series of sharp blades made from tough steel alloys, the machine operates with a high-speed drum that quickly and powerfully crushes and chops the logs. The centrifugal force from the blades helps maintain speed and stability, ensuring that each piece of wood is shredded without obstruction. After being shredded, the wood is transported via a conveyor system, contributing significantly to waste processing in the forestry industry. The stream of sawdust, shot out like a powerful waterfall, is a testament to the machine's strength and precision. Have you ever wondered how a sturdy tree trunk can be processed into smooth, flat wooden planks in the blink of an eye? The process begins by feeding the logs onto a conveyor belt, where advanced laser sensors scan to determine the size and shape, automatically aligning and cutting the wood to specification. These conveyors not only save labor, but also ensure that each log is positioned accurately and safely. The logs are then pushed through high-powered saw blades, which spin at extreme speeds, easily and smoothly cutting through the wood grain. The thin wooden planks are then passed through a drying system that uses infrared technology to ensure optimal moisture levels before being used in industrial applications. This process showcases the remarkable creativity and craftsmanship of humans, offering a fresh perspective on how technology has revolutionized the wood processing industry, transforming what was once rough and bulky into premium materials